Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from Cos Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 3 here in Asheville. Happy you're here, happy I'm here. My girl, my daughter, my Taylor Lindsay came down to visit me to help me do some wedding stuff, and I was just so grateful for our girl time. Rick kind of left us alone for a day and we walked around town, had lunch. I showed her our venue and just had some mommy-daughter time, and put her on a plane about 2 hours ago. And Taylor, I will miss you till I see you again, honey. Thanks for being here for me. I came down here and painted to paint. I'm going to paint it in a couple of days, and I miss it. I miss it if I don't do it every now and again. Our canvas, what is this? This is a 14 by 20, a 12 by 14. I think it's a 12 by 14. It is a reused canvas, and my base coat is already down. My base coat is already down because I forgot to turn my camera on. So I'm going to have to go over my paint colors and all that stuff again for you. But I don't mind. Base coat is, let me grab it. It is some of our Slop Bucket Blues and Creative Inspirations in the Paynes Gray. This is my new go-to base coat color. I love these paints. They're beautiful. They've got a white pearlescent paint that rocks my world, as well as this Paynes Gray. That is also in this cup. This is going to help me maneuver my, my traveling ring pours if so need be. We've got beautiful colors. This right here is also the Paynes Gray by Creative Inspirations. This right here is Yummy Goodness Golden Fluids in the Turquoise. This other color is yummy. This is Golden Fluid Acrylics in the Cobalt Turquoise. Look at how yummy that is. This right here is a combination of Golden Iridescent Gold Fine in the fluids and just a smidgen of the DecoArt metallics in the 24 karat gold. This is very bossy, so when I use it, I try to add it to another color to kind of tone that attitude down just a little bit. This is becoming one of my new favorite colors. This is DecoArt, and this is their Fluid Burnt Crimson. I get these paints as well as my piggies from Fluid Art Co. They are turning into my one-stop shopping, and the customer service is remarkable. This right here is this girl's favorite paint, Golden Fluids, the Q word in the Nickel Azo Gold. Now, I needed thick paints. I needed thick paints to hold my lines. Let's take a look at that consistency. That's thick. That's like dark molasses thick. But what I do, let me grab the bottle for you. It's kind of a mess. I put just a smidgen, probably a scoop of, from my popsicle stick of the Liquitex Gloss Heavy Gel in the bottom of my cup. And then I add a squeeze of my pigment to it, and then I mix it up really good till it's not lumpy and glumpy anymore, and then I add my pouring medium. My pouring medium today is 50% Floetrol, 50% Liquitex Pouring Medium, and a squirt of GAC 800. I keep my GAC in a squirt bottle after I add my gel gloss and my pigment and stir that up. I give it a squeeze of GAC 800, stir that up real good, and then I slowly start to add my pouring medium, which is 50% Floetrol, 50% Liquitex Pouring Medium, until I get it to the consistency that I want. Now, the only paint that I added just a smidgen of water to was my gold, because the DecoArt Metallics is a heavier body paint than all of my fluid paints. So that's what we're doing today, guys. I'm going to layer a couple of cups. I'm going to do 1 cup at a time. I'm going to tilt it until there's very little movement left in it. Then I'm going to make another cup, And I'm going to travel with that, and I'm going to tilt that till there's very little movement. That way the original cup composition doesn't move too much, guys. So you sacrifice a little bit of your paint, but that's okay as long as you end up with a good result. I'm happy you're here, guys. I'm happy I'm here. I'm going to put some music on for you, put some tunes on for me. Let's get busy.
got to love you. Just keep on walking down to